Hey guys, Richard here with E-Bike Reviews and Adventures. Now this is the last video in our multi-part video series talking about cargo e-bikes. We just did a video talking about the Mako Scoria, which I own, which is really no longer considered a cargo bike. We just talked about the Electric Expedition as well as the Rad Runner 3 Plus, all brand new bikes in the cargo category. But today we're going to talk about the Aventon Abound. Now I'm going to share a few things with you that I like and a couple of things I don't care for so much, just to bring it to your attention. First of all, the Abound does have a 750 watt motor, as we would expect. I could not find a rating for the torque, how much torque it has. So that I'm not sure about. It does have a 15 amp hour battery, which is, that's acceptable to get around for, shorter distances. It's not going to get you an extended range, but that does do the job. The bike does come in at 81 pounds, which is pretty average for e-bikes. But what's interesting, it does have a cargo capacity of 440 pounds. Now that's massive. That's a lot of cargo. That's including rider and cargo, but that's huge. However, the rear rack is specifically rated at 143 pounds. Not 140, not 145, but specifically 143 pounds, which is another interesting little fact. Now on this bike, we do have the suspension forks, which we would expect in a cargo e-bike. That helps cushion the ride and protect any sensitive cargo, especially if you're hauling children. Now a couple things about the Abound that kind of sets it apart from some of the other bikes is one, this has a dropper seat post, which I think is quite interesting. It's manual, it's not electric, but you can quickly and easily adjust your seat post to get a comfortable ride. Whether you come to a stop and you need to put your feet down, you can drop your post, or whether you want to get that full leg extension and being able to sit up higher and ride taller, it gives you that option as well. So a dropper seat post on a cargo bike is something new. I haven't seen that before. Another thing about the Abound and about Aventon in general is that they have their app that gives you more ability to make adjustments to the bike, change settings, and more statistics about what you're doing with the bike and how you're riding it. And so the Aventon app is, I think, superb, and I wish more bikes would come out with it, but, for now at least, Aventon is the only one that has it in the cargo category that I have seen. Now another thing that they have that I don't believe I saw in any of the other bikes, and that is that they do have integrated turn signals, which is important. If you're going to be out making food deliveries or running around in the city, having turn signals on your bike, it's kind of important to have. And lastly is the Aventon does have some accessories as well that they have come out with that kind of goes along with this cargo bike, so you can go and check those out on their website. So in this series, out of all the cargo bikes that we've taken a look at, the Aventon Abound is a very good contender for an overall good quality e-bike for making your food deliveries, hauling your children around, running to the grocery store. In fact, all these bikes that I talked about I think will do just fine. It's just that some have a few limitations and some have a few whiz-bang features that others don't. So make sure you go and check out each one of these videos so you don't miss anything. Hey, if you get value out of this video, please give me a thumbs up and make sure you make any comments down below or ask any questions that you have, and I'll try to get right back to you on that. And if you're new here, make sure you subscribe, and most importantly, make sure you go check out the other videos in this series so you get all the information so that you can make the best decision for you and your next purchase. Hey, that's it for this video. I will see you in the next video. Ride safe.